Hello friends, welcome to our video. Welcome to our channel. We are so excited for this wonderful time once again. Just to have this time to talk to you is something that is precious to us. And please feel welcome. I am your host, Gloria, and this is another video that I'm so grateful to share. In today's video, we are going to talk of how to start an online business with Bluehost, your gateway to success. So let me once again welcome you in a very special way. Surely we made for the better. Please subscribe, share our video. We love you so much. Please like us back. Claim any code that will be shared during the course of the video, and make sure that you share it with your network. Positively leave a comment in the comment section below. And remember, we are in a mutual partnership whereby I share, and there's also part of your side that you have to do that I've already mentioned, like subscribing, sharing our video, and sharing our code, and also acting as will be needed. So thank you so much once again for you to be here. We are grateful that you are part of us and you are in this channel together doing the work. We are doing the work together. For us, we are sharing. For you, you are also doing your part, and we are so grateful for you. Feel welcome, feel well celebrated. We actually celebrate you for being a unique person that you are. So welcome. We are talking about how to start an online business with Bluehost, your gateway to success. And are you ready? Are you ready? If you are ready, let's go. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey of starting your own online business? Look no further than Bluehost, a leading web hosting provider that empowers entrepreneurs and individuals to establish a strong online presence. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the steps of setting up your online business with Bluehost, highlighting the key features and benefits that makes Bluehost the ideal choice for your web hosting needs. Let's continue. Section 1 is about introduction. And in the introduction, I would like to say that Bluehost is a trusted name in the web hosting industry, renowned for its reliable hosting service, exceptional customer support, and user-friendly interface. With a strong track record of empowering millions of websites, Bluehost offers a range of hosting plans tailored to suit various business requirements. Selecting the right hosting plan is number 2. What you need to do is select the right hosting plan. Remember, there's this link that I will share in the description of the video. Please make sure that you follow this link, you copy it, you paste it in your browser, and then you select the right hosting plan. Bluehost offers a variety of plans. Number 1, shared hosting. Number 2, WordPress hosting. Number 3, VPS hosting. Number 4, dedicated hosting. So in those plans, make sure that you choose the right one for you. And depending on factors like traffic that you are expecting, scalability, and budget. So make sure that you choose the right one for you. Number 3, you need to register a domain name. A unique name and memorable domain name is crucial for your online business branding and visibility. In other words, make sure that the name that you are going to choose is so similar to what you are doing. If it's a fashion and design, let the name also reflect that indeed it's a fashion and design. It should be in relation to what you are doing. And then number 4, you have to set up your website. With Bluehost, easy to use website builder and content management system integrations like WordPress, setting up a website becomes a breeze. They provide step-by-step instructions on installing WordPress, customizing website design, and optimizing it for a seamless user experience. So in other words, it's going to be so easy for you to use that because of the easy to use website builder. There's a website builder, guys, and also there's a step-by-step. In other words, after you have signed up with that link, and remember that when you sign up with that link, you are going to get 90% discount, and then you are going to walk through those steps. They will be just saying put this, put that, put that. So that's how easy it is. It's not complicated. You don't need to have IT skills, or you don't need to be an IT guru That's what I meant to say. So now let's harness, or let's look at Bluehost's powerful features. Bluehost offers a suite of powerful features that elevate your online business performance and security. We'll explore features such as unlimited brand width and SSL certificate. SSL certificate is a feature that secures your information online. We know that there are hackers, there are different things online that can steal your data. So the SSL certificate makes sure that your website is free from danger in the online domain. Email marketing tools, yes. E-commerce integrations, robust security measures. E-commerce integrations, yes, so that you can integrate your website so that you can be able to sell and buy online using the website to ensure your website thrives in the competitive online landscape. And those features, they continue again. Free domain for 1 year, guys, and officially recognized by WordPress, 30 days money back guarantee, one-click WordPress installation. Those are some of the things that the main features that we picked so that we can share with you that by using Bluehost, those are the features that are standing out and very good, guys. Optimizing for search engine. Discover the importance of search engine optimization for your online business and learn how to leverage Bluehost tools and resources to improve your website visibility on search engines. We'll provide we are talking about issues like your web page, website content, meta text, and site speed for better search engine rankings. So in other words, you need to make sure that your content and your meta text are in line. Nowadays, don't worry, we have artificial intelligence which does our which they can write information for you, and most of that information is already SEO optimized. It's already done for you, so you just need to the basics. Actually, if you have chosen a best package, then issues of ranking is not an issue at all. So now let's look at number 7, Bluehost customer support resources. On the standout features, one of the standout features of Bluehost is their exceptional customer support and extensive knowledge base. We'll delve into various support channels available, including live chat, ticket support, and a vast library of tutorings and articles to assist you at every stage of your online business journey. Yes, you heard me very well. They are very good when it comes to customer support. Use those live chat, ticket support, and their vast library materials, guys. Final verdict: starting an online business with Bluehost opens up a world of opportunities for success. From selecting the right hosting plan to setting up your website, optimizing for search engines, and leveraging Bluehost's powerful features, you will have all the tools and support you need to thrive in the digital landscape. Take a leap and partner with Bluehost today to turn your entrepreneur dream into reality. As we have already said, it is wonderful. Those are wonderful things indeed to give you a summary. And indeed, as you have promised, we'll leave a link in the description of the video. Make sure that you follow that link so that you can get your about a 90% discount in the price. So thank you so much in advance for doing that. This is a bonus slide that says set up your online presence, build a professional user-friendly website that reflects your brand identity. You need to secure for your website. You need to secure a domain name and choose a reliable website provider that is the one who are going to share the link. And then optimize the website for search engine. Incorporate essential elements like call to action buttons. Incorporate essential elements like e-commerce. So those are the things that you need for your online presence when it comes to your website. So thank you so much. Remember that you are in a partnership and we do other things like proposals, portfolios, profiles for companies. And please, let's continue to be a family. Let's continue to support one another. Congratulations in advance for launching your online business, because I know most of you are going to take it very seriously and follow up the link by so. Remember also to comment. You can say we met for the better. I found the link, I claimed it, I made it comment something. If you have used the link, just say I made it or I claimed it. We will know that you used our link, and we will be so grateful, and we will make a shout out in the next video for you if we were possible. Thank you so much for acting, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. We are so grateful for you. Until we meet again, let there be lots of love, guys. We'll leave you.